How to request access to Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can request access to Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. The first step is to log into your Meta Business Suite account. Once you are logged in, move to the left side of the screen, scroll down and click on your settings option. So, after clicking on the settings page, you are brought to this page. The next thing to do is to move to the left side of the screen again. Another account, ensure you click on pages. After clicking on pages, I brought to the pages page. The next step is to move to the top right corner and click on the add option. So, after clicking on the add option, you can see the different options be displayed. Claim an existing Facebook page, request to share a Facebook page, create a new Facebook page. Since you are trying to make a request, all you need to do is to click on request, and then the next step is to read out this. Ensure you read this so you can understand, which says request access to a Facebook page if your business needs to use this page on behalf of another business and all of that. And the next thing to do is to get the Facebook page name or URL. So once you have the Facebook page name or URL, just left click and then paste it here. After pasting it, click on next, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to choose your access. Alright, so you have to select the kind of permissions you need. Is it to view, is it to comment, or is it to run ads on this particular page? Select any of them and then click on done, and then click on request access. And then your request will be sent to the page admin or the person with full control of the owning business portfolio where the page is located. And then once your request is approved, you will see the page in your business portfolio in here. And then you can now go ahead and do whatever you like with it. So this is how you can request for a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching and have a good day.